Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if a morning ritual is as important to you as it is to me, then you know that having the right mug makes all the difference. Now, I wasn't sure when I got these mugs from Curved whether I would feel any different using them. But now that I have come to absolutely love their design. This curved handle is super large and it makes drinking from it so comfortable, and it just sets my morning off on the right foot. When I use other mugs now, they just don't feel as good in my hand as using these ones. I got the 18-ounce cups in black. These are made from absolutely gorgeous ceramic, and you can just tell that they're high quality. Curved has other size mugs and colors to choose from, so whether you're looking to just have these for personal use or as a really sweet and thoughtful gift for someone, you're sure to find the perfect one to choose. These have complemented my tea drinking and my husband's coffee drinking really at any time during the day. We love them and we think that you will too, but that's just our point of view.